Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our first question. What is that? A TV tower stands opposite to the one point on the road. So let's going to take one road. One TV tower stands one side of the road and from another point, other side of the road. So from this point, it's elevated. So it is elevated at that road at the angle of elevation. So with the angle of elevation 60 degrees from the point on the other side. This is the 60 degrees. So what is the width of the road? So this is the width of the road, that is AB. And what is the height? We don't know. So one height is there for that tower, and 10 meter apart from this point, 10 meter apart from this point, another point is located. Another point at the angle of elevation with 30 degrees. So this is 10 meter apart from the same point, this point, and with the angle of elevation 30 degrees. So we have to find, so they are given that two angle of elevations for the calculation of one with the width and another with the height. So let's going to consider. So let height of the TV tower, height of the TV tower. So what is the height? That is CA, that will be equal to capital H. So we are taken H meters or whatever it is. Then what is the width of the road? So width of the road, that will be equal to AB. So that one we can take it as W, width as W. Then both angle of elevations. So angle of elevation here 60 degrees and angle B will be equal to 60 degrees and angle D will be equal to 30 degrees. So these are the two angles of elevations at two different points. So this is the one point and another point. So we have to find what is the relation between width and height. So let's going to consider first one. For this, let's going to consider this is the opposite side and adjacent side. So for that we have to take tan theta, tan 60 degrees. So in triangle ABC, what is tan theta? So tan B we can take it as tan B here, angle B. So this one, let's going to take tan B. What is that? Opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the opposite side for the B? For the B, opposite side is AC, that is the tower. And what is this one? AB. So AB is equals to H and AB will be equal to H by W, that is height by width. So tan B means tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees will be equal to H by W. Then tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3. So root 3 will be equal to H by W. So here height will be, you can take it as height will be equal to root 3 W. So let's going to consider equation 1. So height will be equal to root 3 W. Let's going to consider, this is the parameter. So this is the 10 meter. So AD is nothing but what? So what is this? Let's going to consider same with the height and width. So 10 in triangle ADC. What is tan D? So tan D will be equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the opposite side here? AC by adjacent side is AD. So what is AC? So tan D means tan 30 degrees. What is that? AC is nothing but height. Then AD is nothing but AB plus BD. So if you consider AB plus BD, so AB is equals to what? Tan 30 degrees will be equal to 1 by root 3 H by AB is equals to what it here? That is the width W plus BD is equals to 10 meters. So cross multiply. So H into root 3, that will be equal to W plus 10. So that is the values. So H will be equal to what is that? W plus 10 by root 3, W plus 10 by root 3. So from equation 1, let's going to consider this is equation 2. From equation 1, what is h? Root 3 W. H is equals to what? Equation 1, substitute from equation 1, h will be equal to root 3 W will be equal to W plus 10 by root 3. So root 3 here, let's going to multiply root 3 into root 3 into W plus 10. W plus 10. So what is this value here? So let's going to consider root 3 whole square, W equal to W plus 10. So square and square root will going to cancel. Then 3W will be equal to W plus 10. Then 3W minus W equal to 10. So this sign we are getting. So 3W minus 1W will be 2W, that is 10. Then W will be equal to 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are, that is 5 meters. So what is the width? 5 meters. So what is the width? 5 meters. So width will be equal to width of the road. Width of the road W, width of the road W, that is AB, will be equal to 5 meters. So that is the one. Then what is the height of the tower? So height of the tower, therefore height of the TV tower will be h, that will be equal to AC. So that is height will be root 3 W. So root 3 into W is equals to 5. Then 5 into 1 point. So what you can say 1.732. We will get approximately 8.66 meters. 8.66 meters. So 5 root 3 meters. Actually this is the 5 root 3 meters. So this is the values. This is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.